Food has a unique way of bringing people together, oftentimes creating incredible, lasting memories, much like a photograph. Capturing these mouthwatering moments with your smartphone can be just as satisfying as tasting the dish itself. Hello everyone, and welcome to week 25 of the 52-week smartphone photography project. This week, I'm taking you into the delicious world of food photography, whether you're snapping a quick pic of your cheese and crackers or styling a gourmet meal like Francesco Sapienza. Learning how to take amazing food photos with your smartphone is not as difficult as you may think. With that being said, let's get started. When it comes to food photography, lighting is incredibly important. Using natural light can make a significant difference in your food photos. I recommend positioning your food in an outdoor setting to get the best lighting for your smartphone sensor. Since smartphones aren't known for the best low light performance, natural light can help you capture vibrant and clear images. It's important to avoid harsh lighting as well. Steer clear of using flash as it can create harsh shadows. Fluorescent lights are also not your friend as they tend to wash out colors, but you can still get some good images if you choose brightly colored foods like grapefruit or limes. Another tip is to choose foods with strong texture for easy compositions. For example, here is a snack with lots of textures that will naturally stand out in your photos. This way you can create visually appealing images that are sure to catch the eye. With the right lighting, you can transform a simple dish into a work of art. However, now we need to look at the other side of this equation, composition. Now that we've covered lighting, let's look at composition and angles. The way you compose your shot and the angles you choose can dramatically impact the appeal of your food photos. The easiest approach is to experiment with different angles. Try shooting from above to capture a flat lay, or get up close to highlight intricate details. Side views can also be effective, especially for layered dishes. Don't be afraid to move around and find the most appetizing perspective. You'll also want to consider background and props. Keep your backgrounds clean and ensure that the food remains in focus. Adding minimalistic props can also help complement a dish without overpowering it. Our old friend, the rule of thirds, can also be a great guide. Positioning your main subject off-center can create a more balanced and interesting composition. Activate the grid lines on your smartphone camera app to have precise placement. By paying attention to composition and angles, you can make even the simplest meals look like culinary masterpieces. But capturing the perfect shot doesn't end here. Editing will also play a crucial role. Now that you've captured the perfect shot, it's time to enhance it using editing tools. One of the best free apps for this is Snapseed, which is available for both Android and Apple devices. Start by opening your image in Snapseed. The first step is usually to adjust the basic settings like brightness, contrast, and saturation. Increasing the brightness and contrast can make your image pop, while a slight boost in saturation can enhance the color. Next, you want to look at the Details tool to sharpen your image. This helps highlight textures and make your food look even more appetizing. Be careful not to overdo it though, as too much sharpening can make the image look really unnatural. The Selective tool is also another powerful feature. It allows you to adjust specific areas of your photo, perfect for brightening up dark spots or enhancing certain colors without affecting the entire image. And that wraps up week 25. Thank you for joining me on the smartphone food photography journey. To recap, we talked about the importance of using natural light, experimenting with different composition and angles, and enhancing your photos using Snapseed. Now it's your turn to show us your culinary works of art. Submit your photos into our discussion thread and join the food photography conversation. See you next week, and as always, happy shooting!